Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetsNews.com, and today we are here at the Opera booth at Mobile World Congress 2015, and we have the Opera Mini finally on a Windows phone. So this is the Lumia 520 which we have with us, and 1520 which we have with us, and we have Opera Mini on this one, which is a very good news, and it is coming to the consumers as well very soon. As of now, this is the test build which is running on this device. The Opera Mini for Windows Phone 8.1 is right now not available on the Windows Store, but it is coming very soon. We are going to show you all those features, what all you get within this browser. The favorite Opera Mini browser is finally here, and when we talk about the thing, this is the main screen, the home screen, which actually will show you all the tiles of all those applications, all the shortcuts of those websites which you have visited or which you might want to visit. And again, you have a lot of things over there. You can type the address, you can type the location of the website right directly here and go. And when it comes to data saving, the data saving has also been increased on this one, and they have integrated data saving in such a way that you get the complete information over there. You can tap over here and see how much of data you have saved on the daily basis, 20%, on the daily basis, again on a weekly basis as well. Again, the week has not been completed, so it is not showing anything, but on a monthly basis and other things as well, you can actually see. You can also control over the image quality, as per which you can actually save more data, and this is definitely going to be very useful for people who worry about cellular data being used whenever they are browsing. And one thing which is possible on this one is that you can have different kind of tabs, and they will be shown in the form of a kind of a thumbnail tile. So you will have the screenshot of that website which you have loaded in the background. You do have a speed dial over there which you can toggle to. And then when we talk about some other things, we do have more settings on this particular browser, which includes the bookmarks. So you can actually have different kind of bookmark which you can specify on the browser, which you can store, and later on you can also have the history being checked. So you can check the complete history, what all pages you have visited. In case you forgot which website you visited, you can actually retrieve that later and go to that website directly from here by just tapping over there. And when you come back, you have some more settings over there which give you more control over this browser, which is actually kind of full-fledged in terms of functionality. There are, I would say, few major things which are going to be there in future, but as of now it does give you the kind of experience you need on a Windows phone, especially if you want Opera Mini to be there. You have a single column view. You can also have it as a multi-column view as well. You can enable and disable this feature. You also have the option of opening the tabs either in foreground or in background. It is your option. You also have the option of clearing the browsing history. It will clear up the password which you might have entered. It will clear up the cookies and data and other browsing history like the website you have visited. You can also control over the text size. So you can control the text size as per the visibility. In case something is very small, you can control the text size to large and medium as well, which is very nice. You also have the option of accepting or rejecting the cookies in case you would like to protect your privacy. You also have the option of loading the website either in the mobile format or in a desktop format, just like you see it on a PC. All that you can do on a Windows phone with Opera Mini. You also have the option of changing the connection. You can also go for this thing as well in case you would like to do that. You can also report problems in case you face any issues, because this is going to be in beta. As of now, this is the exact version which is there on this particular device, and once it comes, it will be in beta, and you can actually report any kind of problem if you actually face on this particular browser. Talking about some more things, we do have some more option like version. So this is the exact version. This is going to be the first build which is going to come, and it is pretty stable, I would say. Even when this is test beta, it is kind of test build actually. This is very stable, and you have some more options over there. So all in all, this looks like a very good browser. Opera Mini is finally on Windows Phone, which is very good news, and I would love to see it coming as soon as possible for the consumers. So that's all from us. Do let us know if you have any specific question for Opera Mini for Windows Phone 8.1. In case you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. You can like the video of this video, help me by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.